Right, so here's my other Banshee morphine, size medium one. Yeah, I just put it out for fun. Just mess about on. It's absolute tank. It's got a Sun double wides front and back, which are 46mm wide rims. Old school, really heavy, but pretty much indestructible. Got 3" by 24" halo contras. Hope and 4 brakes with Hope floating rotors, 180 rear, 200 front, braided hose on the front. Mizuki 888s, RC2X with direct mount stem, race face Atlas bars, DMR def grips, halo front hub, Revel rear, just does the job. DMR chainring, DMR X type cranks, 243 racing pedals, which are actually shin killers. Half link chain, Shimano Saint bottom bracket, Truth seat post, DMR saddle, which is just old school and worn. Oh, Cane Creek headset, Hope spacers, Cane Creek top cap. There's a Banshee logo. But yeah, it's just a beast. It's a bit of a tank, like. Might put 26" on it and try it out and see what it's like, because I'm not that keen on it on 24s, but it'd be good for doing drops, but it's not so good for doing downhill. It's not all that quick. But yeah, it's an absolute beast. Look at these cassettes. I ain't gonna break it anytime soon, that's for sure. So yeah, that's it. My Banshee morphine number 2.